The halo effect. The halo effect is a cognitive bias in which our overall impression of a person, company, brand, or product influences how we feel and think about its character or properties. Essentially, a positive impression in one area positively influences our perception of other areas, even if there's no logical connection. Here's a breakdown. Understanding the halo effect. General impression. It's based on a single positive trait or experience. This single trait shines a positive light on everything else. Automatic bias. It operates subconsciously, meaning we're often unaware of its influence. Positive skew. While it's most commonly associated with positive impressions, a negative, reverse halo effect can also occur. Examples. Attractive people. People who are physically attractive are often perceived as being more intelligent, competent, and trustworthy, even if there's no evidence to support these assumptions. Brand reputation. If a company has a reputation for producing high-quality products in one area, consumers may assume that all of its products are of equally high quality. Celebrity endorsements. When a popular celebrity endorses a product, consumers may assume that the product is of high quality, even if they have no personal experience with it. First impressions. A positive first impression can lead to a halo effect, where we continue to view the person or thing favorably, even if subsequent interactions are less positive. Product design. A well-designed product can cause someone to think that the internal components are also well-designed. Impact and implications. Marketing and advertising. Businesses use the halo effect to build brand equity and increase sales. Hiring and performance evaluations. Managers should be aware of the halo effect to avoid making biased hiring or performance evaluation decisions. Consumer behavior. Consumers should be aware of the halo effect to avoid making impulsive or irrational purchase decisions. Personal relationships. We should be mindful of the halo effect to avoid making judgments based on superficial impressions. Key takeaway. The halo effect is a powerful cognitive bias that can influence our perceptions and decisions. Being aware of this bias can help us make more objective and informed judgments.